everyone, welcome back to Glamour Has No Age. Today I have, it's not new on the market, but I got the Natasha Denona Star Palette. I'm excited. This has, 8 cream to mattes, 3 chroma crystals, 3 metallics, and 2 duochromes. I like her duochromes. I mean, I know there's better on the market because I hear the young people, not that I'm old, well maybe I am. I hear the young people on the market talking about the duochromes aren't the same. Well, when you have old eyelids, duochromes that shine to the stars does not look good on them. Anyways, if you don't already know, this is what the palette looks like. I'm a big fan of Natasha Denona because they work well on aging eyes, and I see the value of the investment for them. I am gonna stay on this side over here. I'm gonna go into this cream to matte called Attic, A-T-I-K. I don't know if I said that right. Looks like that. I'm gonna put that in my crease. I'm going to take my smaller What's Up Beauty crease brush. I'm going to go into this cream to matte called Electra. Hopefully I don't get hives from this because it looks like it's got a red in it. I'm gonna take this medium-sized blending brush, and all right, that looks blended. I'm gonna take my newfound friend, Pat McGrath, and take my shimmer brush I'm going to go into this duochrome supernova and put that on my lids. I'm going to take the other side of my brush and go into this chroma crystal. And I go off camera and touch up my mascara. And that's it. That's my look with it. It looks pretty. You know, it's my first time using this palette. So I don't have welts. I'm a little itchy from the chroma crystal, but I don't have welts. So that's a good thing. Well, anyways, that's my video. If you like videos like this, consider subscribing, hit the notification bell. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.